Entering a harvest is a really important part of building out your crop plan. It's as simple as just going into the crop tracker, expanding out the sections and clicking Add Harvest. This workflow will apply to both actuals and forecasts, but once a forecast harvest has been recorded, that is a harvest expected at a future date, it can be copied to an actual as well. Just need to select a date in the future. Then you'll choose the product available from the tracker, so some trackers will have multiple products available. You can either enter a yield per area, per tonnes per hectare, bushels per acre, whichever applies in your market, which will automatically pre-fill any paddocks or fields that you've nominated for the area. You can edit these as well, so you can manipulate them slightly to increase and it will average out, or you can enter a total and it will backwards calculate the yield if required. Once you've done that, just click the next key. Next section is to set what the intended use of the harvest is. By default, we're going to expect that you're selling all of it. So total has flowed over from the previous workflow. Now you're setting a value. So this is the expected spot price on the date, basically. What is the market? What are you expecting the market to pay at harvest date? So we can key that in. If you are using the product for other uses, such as feed and seed, then just drop this quantity down. That will leave some excess, and then we can add in additional uses. So I can add in some grain for feed in this example. I can enter a different price if required. And the remainder I'll put to seed. Same thing. I'm going to use the same price for all three, but there's nothing stopping you for recording a different price if you want. Clicking save on that, because Figured is a three-way reporting application, clicking save has hit the profit and loss and hit your balance sheet via your product tracker account, but not your cash flow yet. The production is showing up here, and then unused, you'll be able to see what the breakdown is based upon the intentions that you've recorded. Also into the product tracker, if you're viewing it on the correct basis with your date selections up the top, we'll be able to see the harvest record in here. It does break it up by paddock in the product tracker, but clicking any of the pencil icons on the right will take you back to the record you've just created and allow you to edit it if required.